Hi, my name is Jose Escamilla. The reason I'm contacting you is because there have been new developments in the research of rods. We now have footage of rods taken by infrared cameras that reveals what they look like in infrared. We also have insects and we have birds, dragonflies. They all have a certain footprint. Rods, they also have their own patterns. You're about to see a creature that is among us that is extraordinary. There's nothing like this life form in the world. And we have the evidence that proves it's real once and for all after 19 years of research.
Hey guys, I'm Eli Martinez, editor of Shark Tower Magazine, and this is my video blog, Notes from a Shark Junkie's Journal. I wanted to talk to you guys about some footage that I found. A couple of years ago, I was out with Stuart Cove, and we went out to the weather buoys to dive with silky sharks. We were going to go out there, and what we were doing was, we were checking out the silky sharks, but at the same time, these silky sharks get caught by fishermen all the time, and most of what they do is they cut the line, and these sharks have these hooks. So when we were out there, we were putting the sharks in tonic immobility, and we were removing as many of the hooks as possible. So later, when I'm reviewing the footage, I wanted to go through it and see what we had. Some great stuff of silkies, and then while I was going through the footage, I was going frame by frame. I found something in the footage that really kind of intrigued me, and I wanted to figure out what it was. There were these kind of like these, foot-long white, like rods of some kind, just kind of darting through the water. They're moving so fast that I never saw them while we were down in the water, and then it was just something I never seen before or heard of, and which is basically underwater like flying rods. I did a little bit of research and studied and found out that they have these. There's stories and reports of these flying rods in the sky.
Our efforts pay off. This video shows rods moving back and forth across the screen. Here you can clearly see the membranes on each side, allowing the rod to swim through the air. Some are a few inches long, others a few feet. This kind of mystery, and nobody really knows what they are. They're not really sure if it's real or not. I kind of, then became a student of it, trying to figure out what it was that I had witnessed. Still don't know what they are. It's a complete mystery. I'm going to just kind of show you some of the footage and just slow it down so you can see them. And there's going to be one clip where you'll see the rod just kind of darting through. And as I go frame by frame, you can kind of see, around it, I don't know if they're like little tentacles or whatever it is, but something is propelling those things and making it move extremely fast. And that to the naked eye, you're really not going to be able to see them. So I'm going to take you through a few frames and so you can see what it is that I'm talking about. Here you'll see some of the rod, as the silky moves through the water, then you're gonna catch a few frames of these rods kind of darting through the area. And then there's a group of us all together swimming under this buoy, right next to the line, and then a big school of them just kind of shoots through the frame, and I'll slow it down so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But I mean, it happens so fast, and it's pretty exciting. It's exciting that, like, well, okay, maybe they already been discovered by science. I don't know. Never heard of them, never seen them before, and I just, thought it was really exciting to find something like this out there. It's just really cool. And really, what excites me about finding stuff like that is that there's still so much that we don't know about the ocean. There's still so many mysteries out there, and there's so much left to do, man. It just gets me excited about wanting to get back out there and because you never know what you're going to find.
Please contribute. Go to tblnfilms.com and click on crowdfunding. There you will read about the project, you'll see the new trailers, and please do contribute. We need your help. This time we really need your help. Thank you.